دولفين وردة. بشكركم إن اخترتونا قدمنا أجازتكم. أتمنى تقضوا وقت ممتع وجميل. ضيوفنا الأعزاء النهارده معانا فقرة مميزة جدا. لأول مرة على المسرح دولفين وردة، والفقرة الجديدة القطة اللي عندها 3 سنين وهي من أورجواي. ويلا بينا نسعد عشان نشجعها مع بعض.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again in Dolphin Board. As you see, usually we start our show with our dolphins. But ladies and gentlemen, we prepare a super surprise for you today because we will open our show with our new baby. She's only 3 years old, ladies and gentlemen, and she is a dolphin. She is Lau. You will see her. And ladies and gentlemen, we give her this great chance today, and we need your support because she is a little bit shy. So ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands and welcome Ella! More applause, ladies and gentlemen, more applause for our lovely baby. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, great applause for our lovely girl. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Ella with her trainer.
شكرا يا معانا بالجميلة إلى أستاذ مصطفى.
Good morning, Ella. Good morning, let's go, let's build and welcome in Dolphin World. Ladies and gentlemen, applause for Ella, applause for her trainer Mustafa.
ونشجع مع بعض الجميلة إلا وأستاذ مصطفى.
Good morning, Ella. Welcome. Can you start our show with sweet kiss to your trainer? Lovely girl.
شكرا دادي وردة جميلة مع القطة إلا برافو.
Ladies and gentlemen, our wonderful girl is her trainer, and she loves to move, ladies and gentlemen. She loves to start her day with dancing. Don't forget your applause, ladies and gentlemen. We are waiting for our dancing time.
ربي إلا وشوف مع بعض رقصة جميلة مع القطة إلا.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now.
ربي إلا برافو.
Let's go to Let's go faster. Our record on time, ladies and gentlemen. Our record on ladies.
كلنا نشجعها مع بعض في الوقت أهو.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to dance! Wonderful morning, wonderful dancing!
وشوف مع بعض رقصة الزهرة والعيال برافو.
And ladies and gentlemen, it's morning time, time for morning exercise! Wow, let's go!
ربي إلا شاطرة.
Ladies and gentlemen, our fitness skill, bravo! Can you realize, ladies and gentlemen, she's eating human fish that has not been dancing without singing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for opera.
شوف الأعزاء اسمع أغنية جميلة مع القطة إلا.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, our opera singer, bravo!
ربي إلا شاطرة.
Amazing, ladies and gentlemen, she's wonderful, she's so much flexible. Look at her. 1, 2, 3. Bravo!
انت بس قطع كده الاثنين شاطرة إلا برافو.
Ladies and gentlemen, our wonderful girl, our lovely ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, our shining light.
وأنا كمان على المسرح الكبير فيونا ويشركهم بالرضا.
Ladies and gentlemen, great applause for our lovely parents, great applause for our sweet family, Fiona Shrek.
أعزائي الدولفين كمان فنانين وهيقدموا لنا دلوقتي أغنية جميلة.
Our dolphins, ladies and gentlemen, feel warm for us. And right now, they are going to sing for you.
Thôi đây thì xin.
Ladies and gentlemen, sweet dolphin and sweet singing time. Ladies and gentlemen, our Dolphin Symphony.
شوف هذه الأغنية جميلة بتتبدل لحضراتكم.
And right now, ladies and gentlemen, applause for our dolphins. For you. Sing it the new game and thank you for your applause. Thank you so much, everyone. You're wonderful. Singing the avant picture. And ladies and gentlemen, now let's continue with second favorite color. It's very important color in our life. Because ladies and gentlemen, it's color of love. Favorite color from Fiona.
لون الأحمر لون الحب. الفيونا.
Wow, bravo Fiona. Thank you so much. You see, picture is making, ladies and gentlemen, red, yellow, and we have red to the green. And ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for third color. And third color, ladies and gentlemen, is favorite color for each single dolphin because it's color of water. Today, it's Mr. Shrek.
لون الأزرق لون البحر والسمك. بتشرك والآخر لون معانا.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Shrek. Thank you, our lovely team. Thank you, our lovely dolphins. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, our picture is ready. And you see how it's magic? Red, yellow, blue, green, orange. All colors are in our picture. And ladies and gentlemen, it means that our picture is full of energy, full of love, and brings a lot of happiness. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you keep our picture, you are keeping happiness in one of your time. And one of you, ladies and gentlemen, can be lucky with it. And you can keep picture with him forever. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we
Anda tu
but she is trying to build a
Question.
and what are optics of ladies and gentlemen right now for you? Yes, Bella. Applause, applause, applause. We know. So, ladies and gentlemen, our superstar. Our super lady, ladies and gentlemen, our model from the title. So now, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Ladies and gentlemen, our queen of the race, our queen Sarina.
Bravo, Sabrina, Sandra.
And ladies and gentlemen, let's jump for Villa and Trey. Let them to play, let them to jump. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's jumping time with our race, Trey and Villa.
Super, very good little. Let's come and see my mama.
Ladies and gentlemen, one, two, three, showtime! And ladies and gentlemen, let me begin three of us. La Elephant, 3, 2, 1, our showtime! Ladies and gentlemen, Alistair and Swarty, Mr. Jay, Mr. Stella,
Jadi ketuanya mana guys?
Bravo, Signore.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have wonderful Ladies and gentlemen, I believe we can go for. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the volleyball.
Super, that was fun. Very, very good.
Ladies and gentlemen, our regular time. Our ladies in the water. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chad. Wonderful dancing, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Chad from Honduras, our dancer.
بكرة نمشي مع بعض وهذا قلنا حضرتك إننا المكان الوحيد اللي عليه أطفال جديد بتاعهم عن طريق باب السبب.
And if you fell in love with her, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite you for go to sound. Go to therapy, ladies and gentlemen, is your private time in our private pool. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, and it's your it's unforgettable experience for Ladies and gentlemen, Alistair Elephants. Don't forget to reserve swimming or photo session at the end of our show.
وأحب أقول لحضرتك كل حاجز معنا سويمنج أو الفوتو سيشن يقدر يرقص نفسه بالميت. Regardless, violation for over 8 nights to shrink with Fiona Woodbury Brother. مرة كمان على المسرح.
Ladies and gentlemen, our water elevator. red, yellow, and we have red unicorn. And ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for third color. And third color, ladies and gentlemen, is favorite color for each single dolphin because it's color water. Today, it's Mr. Shrek.
لون الأزرق اللون الأحمر والسمك بين شريك والآخر لون معانا.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Shrek. Thank you, our lovely team. Thank you, our lovely dolphins. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, our picture is ready. And you see how it's magic? Red, yellow, blue, green, orange. All colors are in our picture. And ladies and gentlemen, it means that our picture is full of energy, full of love, and brings a lot of happiness. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you keep our picture, you are keeping happiness in one of your time. And one of you, ladies and gentlemen, can be lucky today. And he can keep pictures again forever. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we all
أبص بص.